Oh god. Yikes. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Kelly and welcome to Kaylay Creates. Today I am snowed in. So I'm feeling the Elsa vibes and I decided to go with a blue cut crease thing going on. I really like the way it turned out. I've been feeling really creative. I've been having a lot of really good things happen in my life. So, yeah, I just have been feeling great. I've been wanting to do my makeup more. If you guys want me to do a Q&A or anything like that to get to know me, I guess leave a comment. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, follow along. Alright, so as always, I'm going to start out with my brows. I'm going to do them pretty bold because this is going to be a bold look, so I need them to kind of keep my face even. I'm going to use my Anastasia Dipbrow in Taupe as I'm throwing my brush. Alright, so that is one brow complete. I'm going to do the other one and clean it all up and I will be right back. Okay, so here's the final brows. I lifted them a little bit more because I didn't realize how low I had this one. Like I said, they're super bold, but with a crazy eye look, I feel like you need to have bold brows to balance it all out. So next I'm just going to prime my eyes with my Inglot eye primer like always. Okay, and then for the look today, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B again. Pretty lady right here. And I'm just going to be using the white shade up here to set my lids. Okay, and then I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and go in with that light brown shade right here and just pop that into the crease. I'm actually going to set it a little bit above my crease since I have hooded eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to use a little pencil brush and I'm going to go in with this lighter blue purplish shade right here, and I'm just going to more directly pop that above my crease. And then I'm going to take that fluffy brush and blend it all out again. And then I'm going to keep doing that, just building up the color a little bit by little bit. This can get a little bit lower as well. I am going to be cutting my crease, so it's not a big deal. I just really want the color to be above so you can see it. And then I'm going to go in with this little tiny actual lip brush and go in with this cool tone purple shade up here, and I'm just going to fill that in lower into my crease. And then I'm going to blend that out again. Basically, I'm just going in, blending, going in, blending. That's basically all I'm doing right now. I'm just going to take a fan brush and wipe away some of that fallout, because damn. I forgot that I need to tap off my brush in between applications. Okay, and now for the fun and scary part. I'm gonna cut my crease. I finally got my hands on Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm really excited to actually be able to use it and be able to do crazier things. I'm gonna use a tiny little brush, and I dotted a little bit of Shape Tape on my hand, and I'm just gonna cut along my crease. Oh, I'm nervous. Alright, and now that it is all cut, I'm going to go in with this angled brush, and I'm going to spray it with my setting spray. And I'm going to go in with this bright blue shimmer right here. And this part is going to look semi-messy because I am going to go in and cut it again with my concealer before I'm done. And then to deepen up the outer corner, I'm going to go in with that same navy blue shade. And then, goodness gracious, this is going to be a long video. Okay, and then I'm just going to take that Shape Tape again on another little brush and just clean up that cut crease. Okay, and then I am gonna just clean up that outer corner a little bit. I'm gonna take a cotton swab and some micellar water and just okay, and that seems to be the final shadow look. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and clean up a little bit, and I'll be right back. In the back. This is crazy. I have never put anything like this on my face before. It's nuts. Okay. So, I'm going to do my face makeup now. I'm going to buzz through it like I have been in the past in the other videos that I'm doing crazy eye looks. Nothing's really changing besides me using my Tarte Shape Tape instead of other concealer. finish up my eyes today, I'm going to use this little pencil brush and that navy blue shade under my lids, or under my eyes. I decided to not do any eyeliner today because I have pretty small eyes, or lid space, and I'm afraid that liner would take up way too much room and distract you from all this craziness going on. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarteist mascara. I am going to use falsies today, so I'm going to be using these Eyelure ones in Grand Glamour. Ugh, these are going to be big. I'm going to do them off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. These things are so bold. Next time I think I would go for a little bit less because I feel like it completely covers my eye look. But for lips, I'm going to be using my NYX Liquid Suade lipstick in the color Brooklyn Thorn. It's this color. And that is the final look. I'm going to set it all into place using my setting spray. Okay, so that is the final look. I'm going to give you a little bit more of a close-up to see the eyes. Okay, and I just want to say thank you for watching my video. This is definitely outside of my comfort zone. I'm sorry if it's not perfect. It looks great to me. Like, I've never done anything like this. This is honestly so outside my comfort zone. But if you do want to see any more videos like this, leave a comment. If you have any ideas, also let me know. If you like me and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to leave a little thing right here. And if you want to see my latest video, it's going to be right over here. And yeah, I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.